Welcome to Solar Astrognan. I wish you happy new year to everybody. This Shubhakrit Nama Samvatsara, that is as per our Hindu tradition, the year is going to start from the 2nd of April, that is on the Ugadi. Ugadi means starting of the year, like starting of something new. So this is a Shubhakrit Nama Samvatsara, we call it as Shubhakrit, by name the Shubhakrit. Shubhakrit means that doing something good, that is good action. So I hope everybody take some good decisions and do something good from your end to the society and from your own end also. So सबके लिए शुभकृत नाम संवत्सर का शुभकामना है। आपका जीवन बहुत सुखमय हो, और नाम से ही आपको मालूम पड़ता है कि शुभकृत बोले तो नया कुछ स्टार्ट करना और नया शुभ कार्य करना, ये शुभकृत नाम संवत्सर का डेफिनेशन है। सो ये साल आप सब लोग कुछ ना कुछ नया करें, नया आपके लिए करें और नया दुनिया के लिए भी आप कुछ नया करें, सोसाइटी के लिए भी आप कुछ नया करें। सब लोग को शुभकामनाएं। सो टुडेज टॉपिक will be in Hindi and English both. So whoever want to watch in English in Hindi, they can. The timeline is given below in the description section. They can go to the timeline and listen to that in Hindi. And so today's topic is about the third house. So everybody know about the third house, but today I want to reveal something new to you. It may be new to you or it may be familiar to you. But anyways, if anybody is giving out something, there will be something, at least 0.001% something unknown will be there. So even though if you know about the third house, just keep on listening to the end of the video, so that at least you can find something or something new. Okay. So third house, as we all know, it is Parakramasthana. So Parakramasthana and the responsibilities, your neighborhood, your siblings, so your mama, that is father of your father of your spouse also comes under this third house. And also the most important, which I want to cover it today, is the promise made by you. The third house is the promise which is made by you. That is also third house only. So because when you promise something, what you will do is you will keep your hand and you will pledge that I will do this thing, or you promise to somebody. But so whichever the Gemini sign falls from your ascendant, that is the promise you made to that related to that house. So which you need to give it back in this life. Okay. So Gemini sign is a promise, as I said you. So it's a Vayu Tattva. Coming to the Tattvas also, it's Vayu Tattva. See, Vayu is the speech also that is given, that the Vayu only, that by the air only the speech is given. So when the marriage is happening also, you promise to your in the Purohit, which is the Pujari, the Purohit who comes to you and make you hold the bridegroom and bride, hold the hand, and he will give some tell the mantras, chant mantras, which is the meaning, that is directly and indirectly also they will say the meaning here. But you are committed to something, and you are promising that you are going to take care of your spouse in all the means, like dharma, artha, kama, moksha. So this line will come in all the puja or all whatever the spiritual things you are doing, or spiritual pujas you are doing. This common line will come: dharma, artha, kama, moksha. So that is the houses we find. See, dharma houses are 159, artha is 2610, kamya is 3711, and moksha is 4812, as you all know. So these things only we promise to the spouse who is responsible to take you further in your life. So the promise made by you is shown in the third house, that is the Gemini sign. So by the ascendant also the third house is the promise. But but I believe that from the Aries only, if you take, it will give very good result also. See, when whichever from your ascendant, whichever the house it is falling, that is, say suppose for the Libra ascendant, take an example. So Libra falls in the for the Libra ascendant, it is the ninth house. Seventh is the Aries, seventh, eighth is the Taurus, and the Gemini is the ninth house. So for it is what the promise made to your father. So Libra ascendant people, the promise made to your father has to be fulfilled in any cost. Because so what is the promise you have made, and who will deliver? If you break that promise, who will deliver the result? If ever any planet is sitting there, if you are not you are not fulfilling the promise whatever you made, that whichever the planet is sitting there, that will give you the rewards for that. It may be good, or if you fulfill that, he will give you good reward. If you do not fulfill that, he'll give you all bad rewards only. Okay. So ninth house for the Libra ascendant people, the ninth house is the promise made to your father. So if at all that dasha is going bad to you, even though it is falling in the Trikona house, anywhere, because the Trikona houses should give the good result only in most of the cases. But even though it is not giving the good result, and you are facing lot of troubles in that period, then you have break the promise. And how you will know that you have break the promise? Because this is all the past life karma which are now whatever you are experiencing in this is the past life karma. So how can you know that you have break the promise? Say suppose the ninth lord is going in 6, 8 and 12, that means you have break the promise there. Okay, so that dasha will go bad to you. So the ninth house lord going in 6, 8 and 12, so that dasha will go bad to you. So what is the promise you made and what you broke, that all you can see it in that houses only. Okay, so try this technique, and this is and do the remedial measures for that. So coming to the remedy part, if at all it is going in 6, 8 and 12, try to donate that things, that material to the fatherly figures. Try to know the promise. Try to, but here one thing you can observe is, when you break the promise only, whenever the dasha is going to start to you, you will experience that beforehand only. Because I have seen that. Because whenever you give the promise and that dasha is coming to you, definitely they will ask something you to do during that period. If at all your father is there, I am taking the example as a Libra only. If at all your father is there, you have tried to do this thing, he will be keeping on following you, like you are not doing this, he will be keep on asking you. So if at all father is not there, your guru will ask you, why don't you do this, why don't you do this? Or if at all there also guru also is not available with you, then somebody like fatherly figure or the boss like people, they will ask you, why don't you do this thing, try to do this thing. Because firstly because it's a Trikona house, they will not try to harm you more, but they will try to intimate you beforehand only, that why don't you do this thing. Okay, so that is a promise breaking. So third house is very, very important. Whenever because it is exactly opposite to the ninth house. Okay, third house is exactly opposite to the ninth house always. So try to keep up your promises whatever you do, and don't spoil the Bhagya Dasha, that is the ninth house Dasha. Because if you break the promise, then your ninth Dasha also will go bad to you. Thank you. So हिंदी व्यूअर्स के लिए थर्ड हाउस, तीसरा भाव का आज का टॉपिक है। जो जनरली हम मेष से देखें तो आपको तीसरा भाव मिथुन राशि आएगा। मिथुन राशि हमारा वागदान है, आपको किसको क्या वागदान दिए, किसका क्या प्रॉमिस करें, वही आपको थर्ड हाउस बताता है। जनरली थर्ड हाउस बोले तो सब लोग को मालूम है कि हमारा नेबरहुड है, हमारा सिबलिंग्स है, जो हमारा सिस्टर्स सिबलिंग्स होता है, और अपना पराक्रम स्थान भी है, मामा का घर है, मामा का रिलेशन बताता है, वो तो स्पाउस का, बीवी या हस्बैंड का फादर, वो थर्ड हाउस बताता है। और हमारा रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी भी बताता है, और शरीर के भाग में शोल्डर्स बताता है। सो किसके ऊपर, कंधे के ऊपर, कंधे हमारा शोल्डर्स जो भी है वो थर्ड हाउस बताता है। ये क्या है थर्ड हाउस, आज का जो टॉपिक मैं कवर कर रहा हूँ एक ही ऊपर आपको सुना रहा हूँ मैं। वो क्या है, थर्ड हाउस बोलता है हमारा वागदान है, आपको किसको क्या प्रॉमिस किए। सो आप क्या प्रॉमिस करके क्या ब्रेक कर रहे हैं। अभी थर्ड हाउस में आप किसको भी प्रॉमिस कर रहे हैं वो आप करना ही है, आप बोले हैं वो करना ही है, आपको नहीं करे तो आपको प्रॉब्लम क्रिएट करेगा। जो भी प्लैनेट आपको जेमिनी साइन में बैठेगा वो आपको भाग्य दशा में प्रॉब्लम क्रिएट करेगा, आप प्रॉमिस ब्रेक करें तो। क्यों बोले तो ऑपोजिट 9th हाउस से, नवा घर से एग्जैक्टली ऑपोजिट हाउस ही है जेमिनी साइन। सो आप प्रॉमिस ब्रेक करें, इसीलिए वो हाउस आपको प्रॉब्लम दे रहा है। अभी भाग्य का दशा चल रहा है पर भी वो आपको बुरी हालत में रिजल्ट दे रहा है, बोलते तो आपको कुछ ना कुछ प्रॉमिस आप करें हैं और उसको ब्रेक करें। आपको ये आप चार्ट में कैसा देख सकते हैं, अभी जातक में कैसा देख सकते हैं कि वो प्रॉमिस हम ब्रेक करें या हम करें, वो बताता है। थर्ड हाउस लॉर्ड जाके आप 4 8 12 जल तत्व राशि में 6 8 12 में जा रहा है। आप प्रॉमिस ब्रेक करें हैं, इसीलिए आपको 9th हाउस की दशा बहुत बुरी तरह रिजल्ट देगा वो। इसीलिए आपको क्या करना है, वो जो भी चीज़ उधर है, जो भी ग्रह उधर बैठा है उसका डोनेट करना है आपको। डोनेट करने से प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व हो जाएगा आपको। और उसी तरह डोनेट भी करना है, और क्या आप पूछ लेना चाहिए कि आपको क्या प्रॉमिस करा था, वो मैं क्यों नहीं कर पाया, अभी मेरे को अपॉर्चुनिटी दो, मैं कर देता हूँ। ठीक है, फिर फादर आपके पास फादर है, आप पूछ लो मैं आपको क्या प्रॉमिस करा, वो मैं क्या नहीं कर पाया, आप मेरे को एक अपॉर्चुनिटी दीजिए, मैं कर देता हूँ बोल के आप पूछिए। और ये दशा से पहले भी आपको मालूम पड़ेगा कि अभी आपको दशा से पहले, ये दशा स्टार्ट होने से पहले भाग्य तो भी थर्ड हाउस का प्लैनेट जो भी बैठ रहा है उसका दशा आने से पहले आपको वो नेटिव पूछेगा, आपको जो जातक के किस मामले में वो पूछेगा कि मेरे को आप ये कर सकते हैं क्या। आप हाँ बोल के बोलना ही है। क्यों बोले तो वो ग्रह ही पूछ रहा है आपको, जो श्रापित करे वही, श्रापित का जो भी आप काम नहीं करें वही आपसे पूछ रहा है वो। आप मान लो, मान के आप करने से आपको बहुत फ़ायदा होगा और उसका दशा भी बहुत अच्छा चलेगा आपको। ठीक है, ये आप सब चार्ट्स में देख के आप मेरे को फीडबैक कमेंट सेक्शन में दीजिए, और नया वीडियोस आपको बहुत अपलोड करते रहूँगा, आप देख लीजिए। कौन भी चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया आज का तारीख तक आप सब्सक्राइब करिए, और नया साल का सब लोग को शुभकामनाएं। Thank you to one and all. So whoever not subscribed this channel as of now, please subscribe the channel, and wish you all the very best for the coming years. Thank you.